Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to make Snapchat account public to private. Recently, lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to how to my account public to private on iPhone and Android phone. Now first of all, make sure latest versions to update your Snapchat applications. Open it. After tap on the left hand side corner profile icon. In the profile sections, now tap on the settings icon at the right hand side corner. In the settings, scroll down and find out the privacy controls. Here in privacy control, now please make sure tap on the view my story. Now tap on the my story and make sure you select the my friends option. Now again go back and now second option is contact me. Now please make sure tap on the contact me. Here in contact me two options available, friends and contacts. Now please make sure you select the friends option. Again go back and third one option is see me in quick add. Now please make sure tap on it. If you show me quick add is turned on, now please make sure disable these settings. This setting must be disabled for the private account. Here fourth one options is activity indicator. Now please make sure tap on it. If the activity indicator is turned on, now please make sure turn off these settings. Now go back and last one option is spotlight comments settings. Here spotlight comment settings three options available, manually approve, auto approve my friends and auto approve everyone's. Here please make sure you select the manually approve in these settings. Here these 5 settings to change, you can easily your Snapchat account make public to private. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.